What is it you're doing?
Boogie woogie.
Okay, good.
Boogie woogie. Rock and roll. Chop oh step. Chop oh step. Chop oh step. And boogie woogie. Mom, watch this.
Okay. Wow, where'd you learn that?
I don't know. I didn't buy my balance. Mom, watch this move.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Yep, it's my flippity flop. Mom, watch this.
Oh, wait, let me see your shorts that are underneath your skirt. Well, no, lift the skirt up. Don't pull it down. Yeah, they're little ruffle shorts. Aren't those cute?
What's this? I made a bubble in my butt.
I don't think this should go on YouTube.
Mom, watch this.
Okay. Do your
what's
like
this?
okay. Do your heel step thing.
I already did that.
Okay, do something else. Do something you learned at dance class.
Mama, I just did this. Hey, watch this. It's called this. Here comes the choo-choo train. That's what you learn at class. You put them on your head and you dance out.
Oh, wow.
Put it back on your shoes.
Oh.
And then you do letter walks. Watch. And then when you go,
Can you not do that in your dress, please?
and then you do bear walks.
Oh. All right. Well, that is great.
And then you do crab walks, like that.
Oh.
And then if you want to do donkey kicks, do this.
Oh. Okay.
That's how you do donkey kicks.
Great. Okay, say goodbye.